This is Chris from Kitex. I want to show you a way on how you can measure out the distances for when you're placing the tower. We sort of upgraded the setup leg here a little bit. So if you come in close, you can see there is a sign that says twist to the right to tighten, but twist it to the left, and then you can take the whole setup leg out. It has this thing that you know from the moment transfer arms on the end. So you can insert it, twist it to lock it, and untwist it to have it like this. We can use this as a measuring stick for when we want to place the ground anchors. So get the stick, get a belt, and then this new device I'm going to show you in a bit. And then we're just going to get a foot plate and a single anchor here. So you want to go out, find a suitable space for your turbine with enough room, push in the ground plate, and then we can actually use this one to measure where we want to place the anchor. If you come in close here, we have made it so you can see there's a cross here. There's a line going this way, also with this one, and there's a line going this way. So you want to follow these lines on how to space it in the angular directions. So you want ground anchors going out in these angles here, and then we can simply take the ground leg stick here and place it like this, following the line here in a straight line. And now I have my anchor point. Go up with my ratchet wrench, ground screwing anchor here. And drive it down. That's a way to place the anchors. We have made this new device for you that you can test the anchors with. So this is a clicker mechanism. You can see here we have these two arms that are coming out and two loops. So what we can use this for is that we can preload this one. You just take your finger and bend the tab inside. So it's right under this one. So you can see there's a curve here, and this one, if this one gets loaded in this direction, it wants to spring out like this, and it gives a small click. So you just show it again. I'm grabbing up here. So that gives a small click. That's what you wanna have. So we prepare it, load it up, and then we take our ground anchor. Prepare that down here. And then I need to find a good length. This is too much. This seems about right to the top of my knees here, or the thigh. Then I can take the clicker tool, put it into the carabiner on it, and then I'll use the ratchet wrench or another stick or whatever you can find to pull on, to use as a handle here. I just stick it in here. Now it's actually, again, too tall. So we drive it down. This is good. This takes about 80 kilos of force. That is this many pounds. And there's a technique to this. So I'm a little bit of a big guy. I can pull it, but if you want to do it you can use your body weight to make it a lot easier. So you want to have stretched arms. You want to have your arms straight out. You want one foot close to the ground anchor, and then you can take the other one a little bit back, and then I simply lean back and have the force in my arms, and then it clicks. If you want to come and have a look. So prepare it again, like this. And I can just use this super nice grip here that I have with the ratchet wrench, and I just lean backwards with my body, and then it clicks. And then I know I have enough holding force on the ground anchor. Simple as this. And once you get good at it, and you have this feels like this much weight, then you won't need this tool. See it as a tool that you can use to calibrate your arms or your body, or if you are in doubt, use the tool to see if you have good enough holding force on your anchors. So one last time, simply just use my body to lean back. click. It's best to keep a leg behind you in case the grounding comes up. I have hardly any weight on this leg. That's it.